Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share a small Wsling bag from Valentino. Now let me show you. You can see the color is red. Yeah. Okay, this is the whole bag like this. Yeah. And the whole bag like this. Now let me show you the detail. First, you can see here is a logo. We logo here. The logo can fold, yeah, like this, and open the bag like this. You can see here is a button, magnetic button, yeah, that's magnetic button, and the logo keeps the bag tight, yeah. You can see, and the strap, yeah, this part it's chain, yeah, this part the color is golden, yeah, and this part is from real leather. You can see now the hardware like this, yeah. Yeah, like this, and the strap is convertible, yeah, convertible. You can like this or like this. It's up to you. Yeah, it's up to you. And now let me show you the side. The side it's like this. Yeah. Okay. This part here is the Valentino logo. Yeah. The material is real leather. Yeah, this part under the bottom. You can see. Now let me show you the inside of the bag. Okay. We can open the bag like this. You can see. Okay, and yeah, the button, and here is a zip. You can see here 1 2 3 4 pockets. Yeah, this pocket and this pocket are big. Here is the zip. We can see the zip has the Valentino logo. Yeah. The logo. Yeah, and here is the logo too. There is a logo. No, it's like this. Okay. Okay, this is the bag. Now let me show you the accessories. Yeah, here is a piece of leather. Here the leather, and a tag, and silk ribbon, and the card. This is the dust bag. This is the box. Yeah, the box. Yeah, and the shopping bag is here. Okay, if you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.